Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and there's Lola making her intro as always. Today I'm doing an Ipsy unboxing and a Play by Sephora unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so if you missed last month's video, you will know that I decided to subscribe to Ipsy again. I did it for probably close to a year, if not more, and then decided like I've had enough of it, I've got enough samples. But when they started to do their Ipsy, someone told me the name of it, Ipsy Plus, Luxe, whatever it is, I thought, hey, I kind of want to try it out, but to try it out you've got to be a subscriber, so I resubscribed. So last month it was really good, so I'm going to see what I got. It was really delayed though, you guys. I just got it. It's the when I'm filming this, the 21st, and they said because I had an add-on that it took that long and that they're working hard on not taking as long. So it was kind of weird, but I don't know, this is like new to me, but I don't know how new it is to Ipsy, is that you can add on for like $3 or $3.50 samples that were in other bags that aren't in yours. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I had been wanting to try the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. It's actually on my Sephora wish list. So for I think $3 or $3.50 I said, I added this onto my bag, and that's why they were saying it was too long. It took a little bit longer, but you know, here's a cute little bag. I love it. Cute little hearts. So let's see if Ipsy lived up to last month's. They have just a little card talking about one of the samples, which is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Quirky. So this is a great sample to get. I feel like Quirky is a little light for me. Might have gotten in another subscription. Oh, or even in maybe an Ipsy, but it's really pretty. But again, not necessarily my color, which is fine. I can always give that away, but I just really like actually how it's packaged, because sometimes I feel like with Ipsy they just throw in items and they're not necessarily packaged nicely. So I kind of like that it has an actual like box. Okay, next up is the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Cosmic Light Multifunctional Pigment. Again, packaged really well. Let's see, let's open this up. It's a nice size, but it is not my color. It's like, this. I opened the whole thing up. It's like this blue color, which is just not really me. And I don't really, oh my gosh, I just spilled it all over my table. Oh, hazard. I'm sure you probably like saw it spill. However, it's on everything. But yeah, and I'm not really into pigments, so again, luckily my makeup drawer is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a wipe and clean this up, because it's literally everywhere. So next in my bag is a Marc Anthony True Professional Bye Bye Frizz Silicone Free Protecting Leave-In Conditioner. It's a really nice size, you guys. I love that it's like a good amount of product to try and to see if you'd like. It has an Abyssinian, it's some kind of oil in there, so that's kind of cool. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, so that sounds good. I mean, I think that's nice. I still have blue everywhere. A nice thing to have, and again, this size is really nice. I'm just getting more and more of it everywhere. Okay, moving on now that we're clean. This is an eyeliner by Catherine Natural Cosmetics in the color Royal Plum. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like, this dark purple color, I really like that. I'm a fan of brown eyeliner pretty much every day. I'll wear black eyeliner like today, like a wing liner. But for every day or more natural look, I prefer brown. But I think this is going to be such a good thing to try out, kind of that between the black and a brown. So I am excited about that. And the last thing I got this month was the Mary Luminizer liquid highlighter. I actually like Mary Luminizer. I've had it probably from Ipsy, like a little sample from the balm, but I've not tried the liquid. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I'm excited about that. I've been really into liquid highlighters, putting it kind of under my powder and then kind of blending it in, so it's not a really harsh highlighter. It's just kind of gives you a glow within. So that is what I got in my Ipsy. Not as great as last month, but still pretty good. Yeah, I think there's a few things I can use and a few things I can give away. My mom loves getting samples, so I don't mind getting them and giving them to her or to friends and family. So yeah, so let's get on to the Play by Sephora. Okay, so this has just been sitting around. I wasn't gonna so this has just been sitting around. I actually wasn't gonna unbox it on camera, but I figured since I was doing Ipsy, I should probably do this. So this month, I haven't looked at the items, but the theme is Merry and Bright. If you're not familiar with Play by Sephora, it gives you this really nice, you can see what I got, like description of what you got, how to use it. I really like that about Play by Sephora because you can really find out a lot about the products. Then you always get free 50 extra beauty insider points for that month if you make a purchase in store or online. I mean, they always have like cute little things and themes, and it's kind of like your holiday survival pocket guide. So really, really cute. And I've been loving that they've not been doing one of those drawstring bags. They put it in this plastic bag. I really like these bags, and I would use them for other things. So that's good news. Lola. So if you typically are watching my Ipsy unboxings and are unaware of Play by Sephora, it's a 5 items plus 1 bonus item. So you always get 6 items, $10 a month, very comparable to Ipsy, but all of the things that you get in your Play by Sephora you can find in your local Sephora or online. And it's a lot of prestige high-end products. So I love Play by Sephora. I don't think I could ever get rid of it because I get to try so many cool and exciting things. Okay, so let's get into what I got. So this is a good one, you guys. So I get the Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. This stuff is magic. I buy the huge bottles of it every year at the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. It does wonders. It gets everything off. It's gentle. I cannot live without it, you guys. And I love getting the trial sizes. And this is a fluid ounce. Like, this is a good amount. This is what I take to travel on every single time I go. Most of the time I just refill it back up. It's got a great little nozzle. Perfect. I could always use another one of these. Another amazing product is the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. This is one of my cult favorites. I use this all the time, every single day. I love it. And you're getting a good amount, especially for travel, because if you have this, a little goes a long way. The full size like has lasted me forever. So I have a bigger size that I have purchased, not a bigger size, but like their trial size, you know, when you're in line at Sephora and they got all those little miniatures. Yes, I have that size. But this is awesome for someone who's never tried it out. This would also be super great to travel with because again, a little goes a long way, and this would last you more than a week. So if not, I mean, a lot more. Okay, next up is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. I've never used this. I love Moroccan oil in all of their products. And yeah, this is, I'm going to read a little bit about this because I don't know much about this product. What's nice about this is it's a leave-in conditioner that prevents color fading and brassiness, so that is great. I'm excited to try this. I actually color my hair, I'm more of like a balayage right now, but it definitely turns brassy, so I use green shampoo to kind of help the brassiness, but this is also a way to calm that brassiness. It helps with the sun protection and just the free radicals in the air and stuff like that, so I'm excited to try that. Next up is the Tarte Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. I have not tried this, and how cute is this little sample size. It's a vegan gel moisturizer that cools and refreshes parched skin, which is so good. Oh, I love gel moisturizers. Oh gosh, that is a good one, you guys. I mean, you can't really tell, but I put it on there and it's gel, but it's like, you can tell it's really, really hydrating. And I love that. Gel moisturizers are awesome. And so I'm excited to try Tarte's. Okay, one more thing and then I'll show you the bonus item. This is an actual really nice size. This is the Ronde Cosmetics Hydro Pump liquid lipstick. I have not tried their liquid lipsticks before. I've gotten their plumpers. This is the semi-matte finish. Oh, how cute is this? It's actually a really nice size, and I love that you can kind of see the color like through here. Oh, this is, oh, it kind of has the, okay, I didn't want to focus, but it has, I tried a lot, you guys, kind of a pointed brush tip, almost like the YSL, and that is a beautiful color for the holidays. I'm so excited to try that. And then lastly, the bonus item this month is the Tory Burch Just Like Heaven. It's a floral citrus mix, rhubarb, mandarin, hyacinth flower. Let me smell this. Not too bad. Not something I would typically wear, but not awful. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of fun to see two $10 subscription services side by side, both having 5 items, but with Play by Sephora you get a bonus item. I think Ipsy was good, not great. Sephora always knocks that out of the water, you guys. I mean, they're high-end products. I can't compare. They're both great things to try, and you get a variety of stuff. If you're interested in either one of those, I'll leave the links for both of those down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.